Thank you for being here today. I am Amir Hafizum bin Abdul Rashid from College Community Segamat 2. I'm here today to share with you about wideband pentagonal shape patch antenna for 3.5 GHz WiMAX and 5.2 GHz wireless LAN application for National Research and Innovation Conference NRICON 2020. Introduction: Single antenna multi-application. Due to the demand of the current human trend, we prefer the use of single antenna with multi-application wireless communication system. First one is wireless local area network, wireless LAN. Wireless LAN is wireless computer network that link two or more devices using wireless communication to form a local area network LAN within a limited area such as a home, school, computer laboratory, campus, or office building. Second, Global Positioning Satellite, GPS. Third, Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access, WiMAX. WiMAX is a family of wireless broadband communication standards based on the IEEE set of standards which provide multiple physical layer (PHY) and media access control (MAC) option. We go for what is antenna. An antenna is a device to transmit and or receive electromagnetic wave. An antenna is a structure affiliated with the region of transition between the guided wave and free space. Transmitter and receiver antennas are often very similar in design. Electricity flowing into the transmitter antenna makes electrons vibrate up and down it, producing a radio wave. The radio wave travels through the air at the speed of light. When the wave arrives at the receiver antenna, they make electrons vibrate inside it. This produces an electric current that recreates the original signal. There are many types of antenna in this world, depend on the size, location, application, and cost. At present, antenna must have the ability to work with multi-band or multi-system to cater to many applications. This is due to the demand of the current human trends which prefer the use of single mobile wireless communication system. Example like a loop, Yagi-Uda, monopole, parabolic, helical, patch, dipole, and horn. A loop antenna is formed by a single or multiple turn of wire forming a loop. The radiation produced by loop antenna is comparable to a short dipole antenna. Monopole antenna such as it is half of the dipole antenna. A dipole antenna is made up two conductors in the same axis and the length of the wire need to be small compared to the wavelength. Horn. Horn antenna is effect the transition between transmission line and wave propagating in free space. It acts as a natural extension to a waveguide. We go to the patch antenna. Microstrip patch antennas are the most common form of printed antennas that use. The basic patch antenna is designed by a square or rectangular shape. What is advantage of patch antenna? The first one is they are lightweight, thin profile configuration and low profile compared to the conventional antenna. Second is low cost of fabrication work, like a photo etching and press machining, and readily to mass production. The patch antenna basically designed by a patch, ground plane at the back, substrate with different material and feed line. What is a pentagonal patch antenna? Pentagonal patch antenna is the patch antenna with five-sided polygon shape. This structure is designed based off modified of the basic square or rectangular patch antenna. The figure shows the design development of the antenna starting of the basic square patch antenna. Then, the antenna are enhanced by modified design of pentagonal shaped antenna. Literature review on pentagonal patch antenna, case 1. Tehel 2050 said new compact pentagonal microstrip patch antenna for wireless communication application. First is designed by irregular shape of pentagonal patch antenna to obtain better characteristic bandwidth and antenna gain. Second, this antenna resonate at dual resonant frequency at 2.6 GHz to 7.5 GHz range and 8.7 GHz to 20 GHz range. Case 2. Keeley 2060 design and analysis of pentagonal patch antenna with H3 fractal slot for S-band and WiMAX application. Designed by pentagonal patch antenna with H3 fractal slot enhance the characteristics and performance of the antenna. Second, this antenna resonate at 5.27 GHz of S-band frequencies ranging from 2.5 GHz to 5.0 GHz of bandwidth and a gain of 5.18 decibel, as a figure shown. Methodology of antenna design. The design started with to design a basic patch antenna. The size of the square patch antenna is obtained by the following formula of equation 1, where the length of the antenna L sub and the width of the antenna W sub are equal respectively, while ER is the dielectric constant of the substrate, which is 4.4 of Epsilon, and C is denoted by the speed of the light in free space. The pentagonal shape is then drawn from within the square patch antenna. Table below shows the antenna parameter of the pentagonal shape antenna. For parameter L is 38 mm, width 38 also, LF 10 mm, LG 8 mm, and S 2.62 mm, like a figure show. Coplanar waveguide is a kind of planar transmission line structure whose ground and radiation patch are the same layer of the medium plate. In theory, the CPW effect to give wideband of resonant frequency. The parameter that is tested in this work are: first is a resonant frequency in gigahertz. Second, return loss in dB. Return loss is a quantity often used within RF circuits where impedance matching is important. The return loss is the proportion of a signal that is reflected as a result of an impedance mismatch. An antenna's return loss is a figure that indicates the proportion of radio wave arriving at the antenna input that are rejected as a radio against those that are accepted. It is specified in decibel dB relative to a short circuit 100% rejection. Gain. Gain is the practical value of the directivity. Bandwidth in gigahertz. Bandwidth can be defined in terms of radiation patterns or VSWR or reflected power. Result. Resonant frequency and return loss. It shows that the design of antenna creates three different resonant frequencies at different frequency at 4.06 GHz, 6.28 GHz, and 7.72 GHz. 4.06 GHz, we get return loss negative 22.730 that marked with number 3. For resonant frequency 6.28, we get the return loss is negative 27.006 that's marked with number 4. And the last one, for resonant frequency 7.72, we get negative 70.523 dB return loss that marked with number 5. At 3.5 GHz WiMAX and 5.2 GHz wireless LAN application, the return loss is negative 13.04 GHz and negative 40.58 GHz respectively. From the result, it shows that the structure of the CPW gives the wideband effect to the antenna. It also shows that the pentagonal shape effect to give the multi-band effect to the antenna. The antenna must be resonate better than negative 10 dB to perform 90% efficiency. Result for bandwidth. It shows this antenna create a wideband antenna with 5.15 GHz in the range of 3.455 GHz and 8.605 GHz. For 3 resonant frequency, we get the bandwidth 5.15, range from 3.455 to 8.605, as shown figure. The wideband are effect of the coplanar waveguide CPW. Without this CPW design, it will show the antenna is only radiate at narrowband of frequency range. Result for gain. It shows this antenna create a wideband antenna with 5.15 GHz in the range of 3.455 GHz and 8.605 GHz. For resonant frequency 4.06, we get 2.722 dB. Second, 6.28 GHz, we get 5.272, and the last one is for resonant frequency 7.72, we get 4.924 dB. At 3.5 GHz WiMAX and 5.2 GHz wireless LAN application, the gain is 1.802 dB and 3.719 dB respectively. It shows that the gain is acceptable because it shows the positive value more than 0. This is because the value of gain must be positive. The negative value means the antenna did not transmit the signal to the free space air. For conclusion, in this paper, the design of a wideband pentagonal shaped antenna is presented. The result shown here is done by the CST software program. The antenna is operated at wideband frequency range with bandwidth of 5.15 GHz in the range of 3.455 GHz and 8.605 GHz. This is based on the theory that CPW gives effect to widen the antenna bandwidth. However, to conclude all, the antenna design can be used for WiMAX at 3.5 GHz and wireless LAN at 5.2 GHz application with a small operated device. Thank you.